You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that confuses a lot of people, and it confuses me too. And when you look at it, it's kind of strange. If you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned, by the way. Especially British English and American English pronunciations are similar. So that's the perfectly correct pronunciation. E, it's an E sound. Spe, sh, it's a sh sound, no C sound, no S sound. Li, especially. Now, some may say it as especially with a schwa sound, rather than E at the beginning, which is fine, but it's normally especially, stress on that spe syllable. How to pronounce in English. Pronunciation, especially, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.